Rock your modern house, creative stone facade ideas. When it comes to decorating the facade of a modern house, stone accents can add a touch of elegance and sophistication. The use of natural materials in exterior design has become increasingly popular in contemporary architecture, as it not only enhances the curb appeal but also provides a timeless aesthetic. In this article, we will explore various decorating ideas and architectural elements that can be incorporated into the facade of a modern house using stone. Stone cladding. One of the most popular ways to incorporate stone into the facade of a modern house is through stone cladding. Stone cladding involves covering the exterior walls with thin layers of natural stone, creating a stunning visual effect. It can be applied to the entire facade or used selectively to highlight specific architectural features. Stone cladding offers a wide range of options, from sleek and polished surfaces to rough and textured finishes, allowing homeowners to choose the style that best suits their taste and the overall design of the house. Accent walls. Another creative way to use stone in the facade design of a modern house is to create accent walls. By selecting a specific area or wall to cover with stone, you can add a focal point to the overall design. This technique works particularly well when combined with contemporary architectural elements such as large windows or unique geometric shapes. The contrast between the sleek lines of modern design and the natural texture of stone can create a visually striking effect. Stone trim and borders. To add a touch of elegance to your modern house's exterior, consider incorporating stone trim and borders. Stone trim can be used to outline windows, doors, and other architectural features, providing a refined and polished look. Borders made of stone can be added along the edges of the facade, creating a defined boundary between different materials or sections of the house. This technique helps create a cohesive and harmonious design while emphasizing the modern aesthetic. Stone pillars and columns. If you want to make a statement with the entrance of your modern house, stone pillars and columns are an excellent choice. These architectural elements not only provide structural support but also add a sense of grandeur and elegance. Whether you opt for sleek and minimalist stone pillars or intricate and ornate columns, they can instantly elevate the overall design of the facade. Additionally, combining stone pillars with modern lighting fixtures can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Stone accents and artistic installations. For those looking to add a touch of creativity and uniqueness to their modern house's facade, consider incorporating stone accents and artistic installations. These can include stone sculptures, mosaics, or carved patterns that add a personal and artistic touch to the exterior design. Such installations can be strategically placed to create a focal point or spread throughout the facade to add visual interest and texture. The combination of contemporary architecture and stone artistry can result in a truly stunning and memorable facade. In conclusion, decorating the facade of a modern house with stone accents can significantly enhance its overall design and curb appeal. From stone cladding and accent walls to trim, borders, and pillars, there are numerous ways to incorporate natural materials into contemporary architecture. By carefully selecting the style, texture, and placement of the stones, homeowners can create a visually striking and sophisticated exterior. The combination of modern design and the timeless beauty of stone creates an architectural masterpiece that stands out amongst the crowd. So, why not consider using stone to transform your modern house into a stunning work of art?